In June 2024, the party inaugurated NUP School of Leadership at the former party headquarters in Kamwocha, Kampala. According to the party leaders, the school aims at training and grooming party supporters and members for leadership roles by making them civically aware of various political, cultural, economic, and human rights matters. Nevertheless, a letter dated 28th of June addressed the NUP Secretary General. Police asked the party leadership to meet with its Director of Human Resource Development and Training on Thursday morning, which was yesterday, to ascertain the status of the school, content taught, and its facilitators. Whereas the meeting was pushed for today, Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu maintained that their party is aware of police's intention to frustrate their legitimate activities, though he maintained that they are still committed to engaging with police on the same.
Of the police to close our school. Tumanyi bulungi baagala kuggala somero lyaffe. I mean, they've banned all manner of sensitive of civil awakening. They even banned political education in schools. They prefer an ignorant population. So we know that they want to stop us. Of course they cannot, because whatever they do is illegal. And we always find a way of going around it.
In the same vein, the Secretary General of the party, David Louis Rubongoya, wondered why the police particularly unpicked their school, yet most of their counterparts are operating uninterrupted.
All political parties in Uganda have been training leaders over time. The only difference with the National Unity Platform is that for us we are more organized. So that is why they go after everything we try to do. But you've been seeing, even them, even when NRM, whatever they teach is just propaganda, but they teach it. They have something which they call NRM clinics, ideology clinics and all that. They're always telling people lies, giving them fake statistics, but you've not seen police to come out and ask them why they are teaching their people. Recently, the FDC also launched what they call the Leadership Academy. We did not see anybody come out to ask them why they do that.
On the other hand, Kyagulanyi castigated President Museveni's influence on national institutions, particularly the parliament, because he recently refused to assent to the Appropriations Bill 2024 until the parliament considered his advice.
Museveni ordered a budget that was already passed to go back to parliament. Not because he was angry about the corruption. No, he was only angry because he was outsmarted by his very MPs, because he saw that they stole more of public funds than himself. So he decided to send back an already passed budget. Now this should tell us more about zero independence of the three arms of government.
Amidst fresh allegations of corruption during the budgeting process at Parliament, the President of Uganda, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, refused to assent to the Appropriations Bill 2024, which was passed by the Parliament in mid-May, insisting that MPs made the mistake of interfering with the constitutional mandate of the President in budgeting for the country. Museveni only assented to the bill after the Parliament had considered his desired amendments. Joseph Kabale, UCTV News.